Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. Have you gotten one of these yet? Your census letter, your 2020 United States Census. I don't understand. How do they not know who you are if you're paying taxes? Because you've already got dependents already on your tax statement. They've already got your address. They already got your social security number. They know everybody. They know everybody that's in your zip code. So I don't understand. I really don't understand what the census is, other than they just want to really be able to track you down, because it's asking you everything. Who you're married to, how many people you live in your house, from April, going to be April 1st. They want to know what ethnic group you are. And if anybody gets a hold of this information, well, they know everything about you. Let's see. So, and by law, you got to fill it out. Well, you're already paying taxes. You're already doing taxes. So this is just, I don't know where this fits in. Asking your origin, what your race is. Everything from Japanese, Filipino, Asian, Indian, Vietnamese, Korean, Japanese, other Asians, and that goes in Pakistani, Cambodian, Native Hawaiian, Samoan, other Pacific Islander. Oh, white. American. Jesus. Alright, and household questions, people questions. Edit. And now, okay, what's it say? Same biological daughter, son, adopted son, stepson or stepdaughter. Oh, we got grandchild. That one's not in here. Step granddaughter. We got a biological son or daughter, adopted son or daughter, stepson or stepdaughter, stepbrother, other grandchild. Yeah, there you go. Guess it's going under grandchild. But yeah, leave it at that. She's female. She's April 30. And she born 02. Let's see if it works. This is 02. 19. 02, 20, 19, 18. Yep. That's correct. By age correct. April 1st. You'll still be 7. No. Alright. white American. Totally. We're white Americans. Alright. Final questions. Finally. It's been 10 minutes. If you don't fill this out online, you're going to get a paper one to fill out. Make sure everyone is only counted once. Some people live or stay in more than one place. The following people usually live or stay somewhere else other than. Nope. Okay. To make sure everyone is only counted one, and some people live in example. Do any of the following people usually live or stay somewhere else other than? No. Okay, you're almost finished and are now ready to send your response. Once the question is submitted, you will not be able to access the information or change any responses. I don't know. I'll submit. Would you like to send your response now? Yes, I'm done. Okay. I have completed the Census 2020. I don't know. It seems like it's overkill, or they're really trying to narrow down on people. But you're already doing your taxes, so I don't get the census. Why aren't they grabbing? Why are they not getting that information from your tax statements? Why are you going outside the thing, other than maybe the tax situation is they can't pull any information from taxes. They have to do it on their own side of the government. You do that. So, all right. Well, just let you know what I was doing when it comes to the Census 2020. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe.